Introducing our Mini Air Humidifier Aroma Oil Diffuser. Equipped with a 300 ml water tank and a captivating colorful night light. Enjoy the flexibility of two adjustable spray modes. Simply press once for a constant spray and twice for an interval spray experience. Powered by a 5 volts, 1A micro USB. This device is compatible with various USB-enabled devices such as laptops, desktops, power banks, sockets, and power outlets. Experience the convenience of the automatic power-off function, allowing for a 4-hour scheduled shutdown time for constant spray and 6 hours for interval spray. Compact and lightweight. This device is perfect for enhancing the atmosphere in your home bedroom or office within 20 to 30 square meters. It's also portable, making it ideal for use in your car or during travel. Specifications: rated input DC 5, 0 volts 1.0, a working current 250 to 350 mAh, rated power 1, water tank capacity 300 ml, spray volume 25 to 35 milliliters, scheduled shutdown time 4 hours, 6 hour, size 78 by 119 millimeters, 307x4, 6/8 ink material, ABS, PP, electronic components.